the foot peg is folded and bent on one side. Doesn't really move well, does it? On this side, pinky finger. Replacing it with the Zeta Racing chromoly steel. There's an affiliate Amazon link in the description of the video for this. Now, to keep it short and simple, because this should be short and simple, here's how to change the pegs. The first step is obviously to straighten out the cotter pin. There's no real trick to it, just get some good pliers, preferably needle nose, and straighten them out. Once they're straight, you can just pull it straight through. And here's what that looks like from the left side. When you pull the pin, the washer may fall, so make sure to catch it, but if it hasn't, just pull it off and don't lose it. Using a screwdriver to tap the pivot through is a good idea because it will catch the spring in place rather than it fly off to an unfound place, or worse, your eye. Because of the crash on this side, there was a bit more effort, so I needed the hammer to tap it through. But as you can see on the left side, that wasn't necessary, it just pushed straight through. I'm inspecting the pin to make sure it's in good shape, which isn't a bad idea, especially after a crash. And it's worth noting that it's a good idea to grease the pin before putting it back in. Once again, using the screwdriver to hold the spring and everything in place, it's also a great way to guide the pin back through. It can be very hard to line the holes up with just the strength of your fingers while holding the spring in place. And a few taps with a hammer may be necessary, but take your time and make sure to get everything lined up, again, why we have the screwdriver. You can see from this angle doing it again on the left side. Finally, put the washer back on, and it's time to replace the cotter pin. It's not a bad idea to use a new pin. I didn't have one at the time, so I'm reusing the same one. But if you reuse the same one too many times, it will become weak, and you don't want your foot peg to fall off while you're standing on it. And frankly, I'm just being lazy. These are not expensive parts. Here's the new peg, good flex. I don't know if it shows up on camera, but that's a reasonable bend. Holding these two in my hands, I can say that the chromoly steel one does weigh more. According to the manufacturer websites, this is somewhere around 400 grams for the set. This is somewhere around 600 for the set, or 700. This low down, strength and function is worth way more. The heaviest skid plate in the world will make almost no difference in performance because the weight's so low.